Hi, Derek and Kimberly. Your both of your pieces are similar in that you put a lot of thought into every panel, and it's clear to me that you have an awareness of kinetic type because your pieces reflect that research. So 4 stars to both of you. Is this my screen or is there a gradient in the corner? I always worry it's my screen. So I really like what you've done. The center justified gets a little old. It never looks that creative. It looks like a PowerPoint presentation. So the pieces where you have mixed it up a little bit, to me, look a little more creative. So this is animation, you don't have to do things like a slideshow. You can put work on its side. You can enlarge the type. You can make it really tiny. You can make the viewer work for it. This is the right idea. This will be interesting and really engage the viewer. Same with this. I could see this boom coming right up at the screen, like really enlarge it. Um, Now you're starting to get into the PowerPoint sort of look. So keep that in mind as you work through this. A good one for you to look at is Kimberly's. Kimberly is our Australian native, the real thing. So, all right, come on. All right, this is your last panel. Let me go back up to the front. So to me, I was impressed with this because it does look like you're really thinking about it. At first, I was like, oh no, another boring um, bunch of digital screens. But then as I flipped through it, I was really impressed with how you carry the viewer through a story. The only challenge for you will be how to animate this. So stairs, stairs, stairs. Are you going to have these pop in one at a time? How are you going to animate this? Maybe, there's so many wonderful presets. I bet you could find one for smoke and have aroma sort of drift off as if it was made of smoke. How is this going to work? Are these going to come up in your face like they're tough letters? So basically, that's what I'm asking you. How are you going to animate every panel? Don't feel you have to answer me right away. Just think about it, and I'm sure you already have been, but I'm curious. It could be a lot of work, but if anyone can do it, I know you can. So kudos to both of you. It's interesting to see your thought process.